Consider the differential equation d square y by dt square plus 2 dy by dt plus y of t equal to del of t, where y of t at t equal to 0 minus is minus 2 and dy by dt at t equal to 0 minus is 0. The numerical value of dy by dt at t equal to 0 plus is. The options are minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. Clearly this question is based on unilateral Laplace transform since the initial conditions are given. Okay. Now you should understand what is unilateral Laplace transform. For normal Laplace transform, y of t has y of s and dy by dt has how much? S times y of s, right? But in unilateral Laplace transform we have minus y of 0. You need not understand the proofs of how it came, but these results are very important. D square y by dt square has s square y of s minus s into initial condition y of 0 minus y dash of 0. Okay, if it is d cube y by dx dt cube, just we'll write this to understand how it is. S cube y of s minus s square y of 0 minus s y dash of 0 minus y double dash of 0. It's here plus and minus. Okay, s square y of s minus s y of 0 plus y dash of 0. Alternately plus and minus comes in the formula. We shall apply these both here. The differential equation given is d square y by dt square plus 2 dy by dt plus y of t equal to del of t. Y or y of t are same, okay? Don't get confused. Now apply the unilateral Laplace transform. That says s square y of s minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0 plus 2 times s y of s minus y of 0 plus y of s. Y of t has y of s is equal to del of t has 1, Laplace transform 1. Now substituting y of 0 as how much he has given initial condition? Y of 0 as minus 2 and this is 0. Therefore this is minus 2. S square plus 2s plus 1 into y of s minus s into minus 2 y of 0 I am putting, and this is anyway 0. Y dash of 0 is 0 he has given, and minus 2 into y of 0 is minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, therefore y of s into s plus 1 whole square plus 2s is equal to minus 3, right? This is 4 goes that side, means minus 3. Y of s is equal to minus 2s minus 3 by s plus 1 whole square. Now if you remember the inverse Fourier transform, 1 by s plus 1, what is the inverse Fourier transform? E power minus t u of t. And 1 by s plus 1 whole square has t into e power minus t u of t. Okay, differentiation property. I am applying the same here. Y of s equal to minus 2s by s plus 1 whole square minus 3 by s plus 1 whole square. For this part, you know, it is minus 3 t e power minus t u of t. And for the second part, that is this one, we should find f of t has capital F of s. Let us say Fourier transform pair, Laplace transform pair. Then s f of s has inverse transform what? D by dt of f of t. Why am I saying this property? Because I know minus 2 by s plus 1 whole square has how much? Minus 2 into t into e power minus t u of t. Right, 1 by s plus 1 whole square has t into e power minus t u of t. And what can I say now? Minus 2s by s plus 1 whole square. How much will this have? Minus 2 d by dt of t e power minus t u of t. Okay, therefore we should differentiate this. That is to be written here. Now what is the differentiation? Minus 2 d by dt of t e power minus t. Don't take u of t, it's not needed. U of t just says that it is greater than 0, it exists, the signal exists. Minus 2 t is e power minus t. uv formula I am using. U dv by dt plus v du by dt, right? Plus this gives minus 2 e power minus t minus t e power minus t. I'll substitute it here. And whole u of t. Actually this is minus of minus, this becomes plus into 2. Therefore y of t, how much it is? Minus 2 e power minus t u of t and minus t e power minus t u of t. Okay, y of t is minus 2 e power minus t and 2t and minus 3t, which gives minus t e power minus t u of t. Therefore dy by dt at t is 0 plus. How much is this? Differentiate this. Means minus 2 e power minus t into minus 1. Don't consider u of t. U of t is just saying it is greater than 0. Only after greater than 0 it exists. This is what we have to find. I have just simplified, just differentiated and just simplified it. Therefore it gives 1. And this is 0, therefore 0. Therefore it is dy by dt at t equal to 0 plus is 1. Therefore D is the correct option. What did I use? I just used the unilateral Laplace transform formula and just found out by using the pairs. These pairs are important. That's it. A very simple problem, but you should know the theory behind it. Okay.